You're welcome to our course on computer basics. In this section, we'll be looking at what is a computer, the basic parts of a computer, and buttons and ports on a computer. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. You may already know that you can use a computer to type documents, send email, play games, and browse the web. You can also use it to edit or create spreadsheets, presentations, and even videos. Before we talk about different types of computers, let's talk about two things all computers have in common: hardware and software. Hardware is any part of your computer that has a physical structure, such as the keyboard or mouse. It also includes all of the computer's internal parts, which you can see. Software, on the other hand, is any set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do and how to do it. Examples of software include web browsers, games, and word processors. Everything you do on your computer will rely on both hardware and software. For example, right now, you may be viewing this lesson in a web browser, that's software, and using your mouse, that's hardware, to click from page to page. Ask yourself about the differences in the hardware. As you progress through this course, you will see that different types of computers also often use different types of software. When most people hear the word computer, they think of a personal computer such as a desktop or laptop. However, computers come in many shapes and sizes, and they perform many different functions in our daily lives. When you withdraw cash from an ATM or use a calculator, you are using a type of computer. Yes, many people use desktop computers at work, home, and school. Desktop computers are designed to be placed on a desk, and they are typically made up of a few different parts, including the computer case, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. The second type of computer you may be familiar with is a laptop computer, commonly called a laptop. Laptops are battery-powered computers that are more portable than desktops, allowing you to use them almost anywhere. We have the tablet computers. Tablet computers, or tablets, are handheld computers that are even more portable than laptops. Instead of a keyboard and mouse, tablets use a touch-sensitive screen for typing and navigation. The iPad is an example of a tablet. There's another type of computer we call a server. A server is a computer that serves up information to other computers on a network. For example, whenever you use the internet, you are looking at something that's stored on a server. Many businesses also use local file servers to store and share files internally. Other types of computers. Many of today's electronics are basically specialized computers, though we don't always think of them that way. Here are a few common examples. Smartphones. Many cell phones can do a lot of things computers can do, including browsing the internet and playing games. They are often called smartphones. They are also computers. We have the other one called wearables. Wearable technology is a general term for a group of devices, including fitness trackers and smartwatches, that are designed to be worn throughout the day. These devices are often called wearables for short. There's another one we call the game consoles. A game console is a specialized type of computer that is used for playing video games on your TV. Now, talking about TV, we also have TV computers. Many TVs now include applications or apps that let you access various types of online content. For example, you can stream video from the internet directly onto your TV. Now let's talk about PCs and Macs. Personal computers come in two main types, PC and Mac. Both are fully functional, but they have a different look and feel, and many people prefer one or the other. PCs. This type of computer began with the original IBM PC that was introduced in 1981. Other companies began creating similar computers, which were called IBM PC compatible, often shortened to PC. Today, this is the common type of personal computer, and it typically includes the Microsoft Windows operating system. The other one is Macs. The Macintosh computer was introduced in 1984, and it was the first widely sold personal computer with a graphical user interface, or GUI. All Macs are made by one company, Apple, and they almost always use the Mac OS operating system. What are personal computers used for? I guess you know them. Whether they are home computers or business ones, PCs can be used to store, to retrieve, and process data of all kinds. A PC runs firmware that supports an operating system, OS, which supports a spectrum of other software. This software lets consumers and business users perform a range of general purpose tasks, such as the following: word processing, like as you have in your Microsoft Word, spreadsheets like Microsoft Excel, email that you're familiar with, instant messaging like your WhatsApp and your Facebook, accounting like you use in your calculator, database management that you collect the data of people in the system, internet access like you're listening to this online or offline. You are listening to this online or before your laptop, but when you connect to the internet, it is through the computer. So it also gives you internet access. We also use it to listen to music. We do graphics with the computer, do graphic design. We use it also for video gaming. We use it for software development. We use it for multimedia servers. We also use it for wireless network access, which gives us a hotspot that we can share. Video conferencing is what we also use it for. So there are much more other things we can use computer in doing. Computer has become the second part of man today. We're in a digital age. So it's like before, you must learn how to read and write. But now, you must learn how to use your computer.